Hey Billy, just ran into a question with a prospect wondering if you can show me how to compare workflows in OnBase Studio.
Sure thing, Brian. I'd be happy to help. Let me share my screen. I've already got OnBase Studio opened up, and I'm connected to my repository. Now, something you might not know about Studio is that it's possible to connect to multiple repositories at the same time. As you can see here, I'm connected to my prod repository, as well as my test repository. For this example, I'm going to be comparing my invoice approval processing lifecycle. More specifically, I want to compare my invoice entry queue between test and prod to see what kinds of differences there are. To compare the queue, I'm going to select it, right-click, and select Compare To. From here, I can select the repository that I want to compare my queue with. So I'll hit my drop-down and select my test repository. From here, I can select the queue and click OK. In the new window that appears, you'll see on the left side I've got my production repository, and on the right side I've got my test repository, and you notice that some items are highlighted. The items highlighted in green indicate that one item has been added between the two. Items in red indicate that an item has been deleted between the two, and items highlighted in yellow indicate that there has been a change between the two. If I want more details on what's different between the two items that are highlighted, I can select the highlighted item, come up to my ribbon, and select the Display Item Differences button. This will give me a little more detailed breakdown on what is different between the two. As you can see in this case, one item has the document going to the invoice review queue, and the other has it routed to the non-PO/utility bills queue. Say I'm done looking through the differences between my queues, and maybe I want to save this information for later. I can come up to my ribbon and select Create Report. From here, I'll get some more details on what is different between the two queues. And as you can see, every difference is noted. From here, I can choose to save out this report or print it. And that's how you can compare the differences between two life cycles.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. If you have a question that you would like answered on an upcoming Question Corner, please leave a comment below.